Hello everyone, welcome to Nextelo. I'll start by saying a good surgeon operates both with his hand and heart. And today with us we have a good-hearted person, well-known and prominent neurosurgeon, Dr. Nachiket Asthana sir. He believes being humble is 1,000 times better than taking credits. Let us welcome Dr. Nachiket Asthana sir with us. Sir, I wanted to ask you, when you look back to your preparation days, when you used to prepare for exams, and when you look today's scenario, do you feel we need to change some strategies for preparing the exam?
Yeah, definitely the strategies need to change a little bit, because when we were appearing for our PGMEs, at that time the situations were a bit different.
Okay.
We did not have so many contenders and the coachings over there available to us.
Okay.
So whatever we studied by ourselves.
Okay.
But nowadays what has happened is that we have so much of external help that the things have become more difficult.
Yeah.
So definitely we need to change according
Okay, sir.
to whatever be the conditions. We need to check out that who is what is the place which is going to give us the best help
Okay.
to prepare for our exams.
Okay.
So definitely we need to change the strategies a little bit.
Okay. So, sir, you are been guiding to students for many years now, especially for medical graduates, examination aspirants. So, there are some misconceptions that the exam is very tough, or sometimes the potential of student is, questionable. Do you feel such things, sir?
No, actually this is not true. Though the exam is definitely tough, I won't say it is not tough.
Yeah.
The level of questions asked in the PGME, this FMG exam,
Yeah.
is almost equivalent to the questions that are asked in the PG entrance exams.
Definitely.
So there's no difference in that.
Yeah.
So level of toughness is same for both of them. The things become a bit easier over here is because you have to score a fixed pass marks.
Okay. Okay.
You don't have to fight for every single mark to
Right.
get in a seat.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the difference over here. So that way out, if you look at it, then the exam becomes easier.
Okay.
And as far as the students are concerned, we don't have any doubts. All of them, or most of them at least, are excellent students.
Yeah.
The thing is that they don't know actually what to study and what not to study.
True.
The conditions over here are a bit different,
Yeah.
and each and every exam is different. You have different sets of questions and different way of asking questions in USMLE. In PLAB, it becomes totally different.
Yeah.
Then you come to our PGME, it becomes a bit different.
Okay.
So we have to take that into account. The strategy is something that we have to make out for this specific to this exam.
Okay.
That is it. And this is what is the problem with the students, that most of them don't have that grip. And we are there to help them. This is what we are going to do.
Yeah.
We are going to tell them how and what exactly you need to study.
Okay.
This is the problem. Otherwise, as far as the education and the knowledge level is concerned, most of them know almost everything.
Yeah.
If they have a proper strategy, the exam is quite easy for them.
Okay.
You yourself see, look at you.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You passed the exam in first attempt.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because you knew what is to be done.
Yeah.
What do I need to study, what I don't need to study.
Yes, sir.
And you cracked it in the first, and that too with very good marks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is actually the strategy.
Okay.
The students are good.
Yeah.
The paper also is not so tough.
Yeah.
The thing is, until you have a proper strategy to prepare,
Okay.
then definitely the exam becomes a bit
Okay. So
difficult
the
to crack.
takeaway home message is proper strategy, proper
Yes.
analysis of papers,
Yes.
and
Exactly.
a good timetable to
A
study.
good timetable. That is the
Okay.
strategy.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You need to study what you need to study, when you need to study, how you need to study. This is what is going to make the difference.
Okay. So, sir, I still remember. I'm also your student. You have taught me surgery, and just wanted to just a chit chat, sir. How do you see surgery subject as a whole? You are neurosurgeon now, but at the point of time when you were preparing, you chose surgery branch for MS. So, how I just wanted to know, how was that experience? Why did you choose surgery, and how do you see the subject surgery as a whole? No.
You see, I was always interested in surgery.
Okay.
The very first thing that made me interested in surgery is that you have to study not as much as you have to study in medicine. This is
Okay.
the first basic funda,
Okay.
anyways.
Yeah.
But I was interested in surgery always.
Yeah.
And this is what made me choose it.
Okay.
So that's where it is. But if I knew that I will have to study so much of anatomy over here,
Yeah.
then definitely maybe I would have chosen something else. Because the basic of surgery
Yeah.
starts with anatomy.
Yeah.
Unless and until you are good at anatomy, you are never going to be a good surgeon.
True. Okay, sir. So one more thing which I'm getting now is integration is important, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So if you know anatomy, if you know physiology, so surgery will be easy. If you know pathology, if you know pharmacology, medicine will be easy. So it's all about integration, right?
It is all about integration. Actually, if you look at it, what is there in surgery and medicine?
Yeah.
Surgery and medicine are just an accumulation of the basic subjects,
Yeah.
the paraclinicals and the preclinicals. Whatever you study them over there, you integrate them, and ultimately, as a result, what you get is medicine and surgery.
Medicine and surgery.
I just would like to give you an example for that matter. The
Yes, sir.
peptic ulcer disease.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah.
If you know the anatomy, from where is the acid secreted in the gastrum,
Yeah.
then further if you know that which nerve stimulates the acid secretion and what are the stimulation for acid
Yeah.
secretion, you know that what are antacids,
Yeah.
what are proton pump inhibitors, what are the proton pump antagonists.
Yeah.
If you know them, the only thing now you need to do in medicine and surgery, you use those medicines to treat the peptic ulcer disease.
Yeah.
If the patient is not responding to those medical management,
We'll go for
in that scenario, you go for surgery.
surgical management.
You know that the stimulation for acid secretion is,
Vagus nerve.
and what is the management?
Vagotomy.
Finished.
Okay.
So basically, what you had to do,
Yeah.
you had to study anatomy,
Okay.
physiology, pathology,
Yeah.
pharmacology. This is what you needed, and maybe a little bit of microbiology also.
Yeah.
Helicobacter pylori.
Helicobacter pylori. Okay. Okay. So we should not see a particular subject. Then it will be separately. We have to see it in totality, right?
Yes, you have to see it in totality.
Okay.
All of you must have seen that book, Harrison,
Yeah.
in medicine,
Mhm.
or maybe Love and Belly or Schwartz in surgery.
Yeah.
50% of the things that they write in the book is physiology, pathology, and pharmacology.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
For each and every specific disease, they'll just have one paragraph.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
They'll have the combination
10
of
paragraphs
yeah.
before that, they are pathology,
Basics.
pharmacology, and physiology.
Basics. Okay. So, sir, at last, would you like to give some advice to students who are, preparing for examinations now, as a whole, in totality, that how we should go about preparing for the exams? Few advice or some.
Yeah, definitely. You see, the very first and the foremost thing, I think that you must have read that our epic Ramayana,
Yeah.
and you must be remembering कि वहाँ पे एक हनुमान जी थे,
Ji.
ठीक? And then he had to cross the sea.
Yeah.
He had the capacity. Do
Definitely.
you agree with it?
Yeah.
But what happened really? He was standing just by the side of the sea, thinking about, फिर कैसे पार होगा?
Okay.
So this exam is that sea for you,
Yes.
and you are all Hanumanjis. And what happened there?
Ah.
कि फिर जामवंत जी आए.
Yeah.
He came, Jaman ji.
Hmm.
He told him, what are you thinking standing over here?
Yeah.
You have the capacity.
Mhm.
You have just forgotten about it.
Mhm.
You remember it, do it, try it.
And will succeed.
कूद गए,
Yeah.
हार हो गए.
Okay.
This is what happened.
Mhm.
You people, these students are all Hanumanjis,
Mhm.
and I'm going to be the Jambat.
Okay.
Or all the teachers.
Yeah.
That way.
Mhm.
They're all going to be Jambat.
Yeah.
They're just going to tell you and make you remember that you have the capacity.
Yeah.
Use it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This is what you have to do. This is the first thing that you have to have faith in yourself,
Okay.
your own capacity.
Yeah.
Unless and until you don't have faith in yourself,
Okay.
everything in this world is going to be difficult, including the exam.
Sure.
So first thing, have faith in yourself.
Okay.
You know that you can do it. That's all. Furthermore, we have to do smart study. We have to study a lot, and to finish it all, we have to study it very smartly,
Smartly.
so that we can give in the maximum output in minimum input.
Okay.
Unless and until you do it, you don't have much time. This is what the advice is going to be, and definitely as we keep on going with the lectures, we'll
Yeah.
keep on telling them in between how to do, what to do.
Surely, sir. Okay.
Right.
So thank you so much for
Please,
joining
thank
with
you.
us, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your guidelines you have given to students, and I believe that we all will, work towards it. We'll study smartly. We'll study, we'll do a hard work, and I believe that we all will be able to crack the examinations.
Definitely.
And moreover, by your advices of all teachers, will definitely be a good person in our life as well, because
That's
it is
all.
not about just the exams which we have to appear by writing, but
Yes.
technically life is exam. So
Yeah, we are going to help you all the way through.
yes, sir.
Not only for this exam,
Yes,
once you
sir.
pass this exam, we are also going to give you the guidance for what is going to be the future, what you are going to do over there,
Yes, sir.
how you are going to achieve it. Definitely,
Yes,
we are there always for you.
Yes, sir.
Till the time we are here on this earth,
Yeah.
we are going to be, you are just like our children.
Yes, sir.
We are
Yes, sir.
always going to be there to help you.
Yes, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Please,
much
please,
for
please.
joining with us. Thank you so much. We'll
Thank you.
see you
Thank you so much.
soon in lectures and
Sure.
TNDs.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.